Oh man, this is not good. I don't even know if I can get out here. Whoa. Wow, it's insane here. Wow, this is crazy. Holy smokes. Well, it looks like the plow guy came down the street. That part's good. We'll take a walk around and see what's going on. Camaro, that's rear drive. I don't know how they do it. How they did it with that car. It looks like they've been driving it in the snow. When I came back last night, it was perfectly dry. Came in with the Mustang. Woo-wee! Oh man, the wind is blowing in my face. This guy's got a lot of digging to do to get their car out. That's what I think. What do you think? Can you just drive that Jeep out of there? Is that what these Jeeps are all about? Drive it out. Look at this. Oh shoot, there's a guy coming right at me. Oh man. Oh man. There we go. If you have four-wheel drive, I guess you can drive around in this stuff. Whew. That's the hard way to do it. Oh man. Holy smokes. I don't know, guys. Pretty high pile. High pile, me lads. Man, this is bad. This is really bad. We are walking in a winter wonderland, folks. You're gonna wonder why anybody likes winter. I don't know how far. Well, the street's plowed out. It's been super windy today, especially on my house, which is like on top of a hill. It seems to be super windy where I am. It's like the Mount Washington Observatory. Yeah, they need to do. They're working on the plowing here. Yup. Oh man, whoa. This street really is bad. This plow job. Whew, no good, man. No good. You need four-wheel, man. I'd be afraid to take my car out of the driveway. I don't know if I could get it back in. Whew. Mamma mia. YouTuber goes for a walk around the neighborhood and is stranded in the snow and can't get back home. Guy's working on his thing there. Whew. I always like this house. I've seen this when I'm driving my mini bike. It's got this cool chimney in the front. It's a really cool little house. And they got some trees here. It's in the front. It's like a little cottage, man. Yeah, man. This would be perfect for New York, Dan. Look at that thing. That's perfect. That's just what a perfect little house. Folks, I'm a minimalist. This has brick in the front. Yeah, I like that house. Oh, he even has a charger on the side. It's a perfect little house for me. I'm a minimalist, folks. Oh, shoot. Now it's getting windy. Oh, I'll be lucky to get back without getting frostbite. I gotta seriously hightail it back, guys. This is messed up. I don't know what I was thinking. At least I have a hat on. Whew. That's what I'm gonna have to be doing next. Look at this plow job. Forget about it. You're out of luck if you don't have a 4-wheel. Your car is gonna get stuck. We gotta get back. My hands are getting numb. I don't know what the temp is out there. I think it's below 20. Definitely. Notice we haven't seen too many people driving around. Oh, man. That's a workout, guys. I'm burning off that Big Mac from yesterday. I went up this hill. It was up way. I was way down there before. All right, guys, let's keep going. That's some fancy plowing. If you have like an ATV, you could fit down that street. Yo, man, wasn't this car just at Applebee's last night, man? Oh, boy. This is bad. Good thing I went when I did. Oh, my gosh. That's Michael Jackson, man. This is a joke. Whew. I'm glad I made it back. That was a workout. My feet are getting really cold, guys. Snow's getting in my boots. Yeah, I'll film when I do the snow blowing, when I get the blower out. I don't know if I should do it yet. It's still coming down out here. I don't know, wait till Monday morning maybe. This stuff, it is pretty powdery since it's so soft. I don't know what to do. And it's windy. The wind kicks up at times, so if I snow blow it and do all that work, it might just blow back in to the into the driveway. I don't know. I think I might wait till the morning. We'll see, till Monday morning, folks. Do stuff inside instead. Hey, hit the thumbs up. This is your friend, New York Dan. He's got his work cut out for him. Maybe we'll do some commentary. How's that? Yeah, who needs to shovel this stuff? Ha! All right, guys, I'll see you soon in the next vid. Over and out.